In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a Google Workspace account step by step so you can set up professional email and tools for your business with confidence. Let's start right at the beginning. First, open your browser and go to the Google Workspace pricing page. This is where Google shows the different plans available along with what each one includes. Take a moment to glance over the options so you have a sense of what you might upgrade to later, but don't worry too much about choosing the perfect plan right now. You'll start with a free trial anyway. Once you're on that page, click the button labeled Get Started. That will launch the setup wizard and walk you through creating your new account. The first section you'll see asks for your business information. Here, type in your business name, exactly how you want it to appear in your Google Workspace settings. This is usually your company's official name since it may show up in shared documents and internal tools. Next, select the number of employees in your organization. Even if it's just you, choose the option that matches your current situation. This helps Google tailor the setup experience and recommend the right structure for your account. After that, you'll be asked for your contact information. Enter a current email address you already use, like a personal Gmail address. This address is important because Google will use it to send you critical account updates, password recovery links, and billing notifications. Make sure it's an inbox you check regularly and double check for any typos before moving on. This backup contact will be especially useful if you ever get locked out of your admin account. Next, you'll move on to your domain selection. Your domain is the part of your email that comes after the @ symbol, like yourcompany.com. If you already have a domain registered with a provider, select the option that says you already have one you can use. You'll be asked to enter that domain name, and later you'll verify ownership by updating a few settings with your domain host. If you don't own a domain yet, don't worry. Google gives you the option to buy one directly through their interface. This can simplify the process since Google will automatically connect the domain to your Workspace account. Just keep in mind that the domain itself usually has a separate yearly cost. Once your domain is set, you'll create your admin account. This is the master account that controls your entire organization in Google Workspace. Choose a username that you want to use as your primary business email, such as something simple and professional. This will be the address you use to sign in and manage users, billing, and security settings. Next, create a strong password for this admin account. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid anything easy to guess. Because this account has full control over your workspace, it's worth taking an extra moment to make it secure and storing it somewhere safe. To finish, you'll be taken to a review and checkout page. Here, you'll enter your payment details to activate the 14-day free trial. You won't be charged until that trial ends, but adding payment information now ensures your services continue without interruption. Go through the summary, confirm everything looks correct, and then submit. Once that's done, your Google Workspace account is created and ready for further setup like adding users and configuring email.